Hello guys, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Today I am back with another interesting video for you. In this video I will tell you about some movies and web series you should watch this week to get off your boring days. If you are new to my channel then please like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more videos like this. So let's start off guys. So as you can see guys, the number one on my list is Becoming. Becoming is a 2020 American documentary film directed by Nadia Hall Green about the former First Lady of the United States, Michelle Obama. You will be surprised to know that guys, this film is produced by none other than her own spouse Barack Obama. This documentary film of Michelle Obama is the same memoir of the book of her life which was published on in 2018. So first guys, let's know something about the movie guys. As you will watch the movie, you will come to know that it is quite different from other documentaries. This one is an inspirational and motivational one which will surely inspire you to become something like her. As for the movie, the content only consists of her life as a first lady, her travel experiences and her work at the tenure of when she was the first lady of the United States. This movie also shows that how she guided her daughter to become as successful as her. By her modern thoughts and her broad mind, she led her daughter to a better future now. The movie has a runtime of 89 minutes and has quite decent numbers to make it worth a binge watch. The Netflix premiered on it on 6th May 2020 and also has good numbers secured. It has 6.5 out of 10 on IMDb and 75% rating on Metacritic. Becoming also teaches us the hard way to struggle and become a great thing in life. Make sure you watch this week guys. It is a good one. Special recommended by me. Yeah guys, Upload. This is my number 3, also among one of my favorites. This is a crazy series where I am 200% sure that you will definitely like it. And if not, text me about it in the comment section. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. So guys, first let's continue with the series. The series Upload premiered on the online streaming platform Amazon Prime Video on 1st May 2020 with a number of 1 season and total number of 10 episodes. So first we will see the plot guys. The episode kicks off with a middle-aged man, 27, Nathan Brown, who dies prematurely in his self-driving car accident in the year 2033 and chooses to be uploaded in his afterlife, which is as same as the life when he was alive, which means that he can go buy things, he can eat, he can dress up and go to movies, cinemas and everything. But the only disadvantage that lies is that he could not be seen by anyone. And the trouble starts for him when his caretaker starts falling for him and his living girlfriend Ingrid starts troubling him. This is a super fun series guys that you should watch this week. I will not tell you further anything about this as I don't want to spoil your thrill about the series. The series is a comedy and drama which makes it quite general to watch because comedy and drama snatches away everybody's heart. The Amazon original series Upload was rated 8.3 out of 10 on IMDb and 83% on Rotten Tomatoes, which are good numbers to make it worth a binge watch. So as you can see guys, the number 3 on my list is Special Ops. Special Ops is a 2020 premiered Hindi language film which hit the screens of the OTT platform Hotstar VIP on 17th March 2020. I know it's quite old, but this is my favorite one and I highly recommend you to watch this before the other two. The series has total number of 1 season with a number of 8 episodes The series is quite a good one which is focused on the 2001 parliament attack in Delhi, India, and the focus on the involvement of the terrorists who had launched the attack on the parliament. The series has given us quite good reasons to watch it. The number one is star cast actors KK Menon as Himmat Singh, Karan Tucker as Farooq Khan, and Sana Khan as Sonia. Where Himmat is a raw agent and Farooq is his junior who is in Dubai to catch the sixth terrorist. The series is a crime, action, and thriller one, which are the golden three when you watch a series, and these are the only reasons which make it worth a binge watch at number one. I repeat, at number one, watch this first. Though I have mentioned the other two before, but as this is my favorite, do watch it guys. The series was rated 8.3 on IMDb and 78% on Rotten Tomatoes, which are good numbers to watch it immediately this week. Oh there. Number 4, Stranger Things. This is my second favorite. The number 4 and the last on my list in this video. I like this epic web series Stranger Things, which is also a quite an old one but a good watch for you. In this week, compared to the boring circumstances, Stranger Things will take you to a thrilling ride this week and make you jump at the edge of your seat. The series premiered on Netflix on July 15, 2016 with many young sensation actors like Gaten Matarazzo, Millie Bobby Brown, Sadie Sink, David Harbour, Joe Keery, Noah Schnapp, and many others. Stranger Things is a horror drama and science fiction mystery web series with a number of 25 episodes and 3 seasons. The 4th season is anticipated to come next year due to the ongoing COVID-19 situations. And I am waiting like anything for this as I need to watch this first. The series starts off with a boy named Will vanishing in the woods and his friends Mike, Lucas and Dustin, who start on a mission to find him and to know that who had kidnapped him. Finally, they come to know about a deadly monster who can do anything to take control over the world. The trio get on various adventures and amazing experiences of their life and later on find a girl named Elle with strange superpowers who can do anything with the control of her mind, like killing a creature, throwing a man at a distance and making someone pee in their pants. Stranger Things was rated 8.8 out of 10 on IMDb and 93% on Rotten Tomatoes. You guys can watch this with your family and all the previous ones too, as they are 13 plus and they are friendly to watch with your kids, brothers, young siblings and anyone. So guys, this much for today's video. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If so, then like, share and comment on my video and tell me how it is, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more interesting videos like this. Till then, stay home and stay safe. Goodbye guys.